This video is about Canadian law and justice system. Full information, questions and answers. It's a very important video for the Canadian citizenship test. Please subscribe the channel. What is Canadian law? The Canadian legal system is based on a combination of common law and civil law. Common law is based on the legal precedent established by judges in previous cases, while civil law is based on a comprehensive legal code. Canada's constitution is the supreme law of the land, and all other laws must be consistent with it. Canada has a federal system of government, which means that the federal government has jurisdiction over certain areas of law, while the provinces and territories have jurisdiction over others. The federal government is responsible for criminal law, immigration, and national defense, among other things, while the provinces and territories have jurisdiction over areas such as health care, education, and family law. How the Canadian justice system works. The Canadian justice system is based on the principle of the rule of law, which means that all people are equal before the law and that no one is above the law. The justice system is designed to be fair and impartial, and it is the responsibility of the courts to ensure that justice is served. There are two main types of courts in Canada: provincial/territorial courts and federal courts. Provincial/territorial courts deal with most criminal and civil cases, while federal courts deal with cases that fall under federal jurisdiction, such as immigration and intellectual property. The Canadian justice system has several important features, including the presumption of innocence. In criminal cases, the accused is presumed innocent until proven guilty. The right to a fair trial. All accused individuals have the right to a fair trial, including the right to legal representation. The right to appeal. Individuals who are found guilty of a crime have the right to appeal their conviction. Restorative justice. In some cases, the justice system may use restorative justice approaches, which aim to repair the harm caused by the crime rather than punishing the offender. Overall, understanding Canada's legal and justice system is an important part of becoming a Canadian citizen. It is recommended that you study these topics thoroughly before taking the citizenship test. 1. What is the highest court in Canada? A. Federal Court of Canada. B. Supreme Court of Canada. C. Provincial/territorial court. D. Court of Queen's Bench. Answer: B. Supreme Court of Canada. 2. Which level of government has jurisdiction over criminal law in Canada? A. Federal. B. Provincial/territorial. C. Municipal. D. None of the above. Answer: A. Federal. 3. What is the name of the document that outlines the basic laws and principles of Canada? A. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. B. The Constitution Act. C. The Criminal Code. D. The Canadian Bill of Rights. Answer: B. The Constitution Act. 4. What is the name of the process where an accused person is brought before a judge to determine if there is enough evidence to go to trial? A. Sentencing. B. Bail hearing. C. Preliminary inquiry. D. Plea bargaining. Answer: C. Preliminary inquiry. 5. What is the age of criminal responsibility in Canada? A. 16. B. 18. C. 12. D. 14. 14. Answer: C. 12. 6. What is the age of criminal responsibility in Canada? A. 16. B. 18. C. 12. D. 14. Answer: C. 12. 7. What is the age of criminal responsibility in Canada? A. 16. B. 18. C. 12. D. 14. Answer: C. 12. 12. 6. What is the name of the law that protects individuals from discrimination on the basis of race, ethnicity, gender, and other characteristics? A. The Criminal Code. B. The Canadian Bill of Rights. C. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. D. The Human Rights Act. Answer: D. The Human Rights Act. 7. What is the name of the process where an accused person pleads guilty in exchange for a lighter sentence? A. Sentencing. B. Bail hearing. C. Preliminary inquiry. D. Plea bargaining. Answer: D. Plea bargaining. 8. Who is responsible for appointing judges in Canada? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Governor General. C. The Minister of Justice. D. The Chief Justice of Canada. Answer: A. The Prime Minister. 9. What is the name of the law that governs property rights, contracts, and other civil matters in Canada? A. The Criminal Code. B. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. C. The Constitution Act. D. The Common Law. Answer: D. The Common Law. 10. What is the name of the law that protects the rights of Indigenous peoples in Canada? A. The Indian Act. B. The Constitution Act. C. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. D. The Human Rights Act. Answer: B. The Constitution Act. 11. What is the name of the law that outlines the criminal offences and punishments in Canada? A. The Criminal Code. B. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. C. The Constitution Act. D. The Common Law. Answer: A. The Criminal Code. 12. What is the name of the principle that ensures that all individuals are equal before the law? A. The Rule of Law. B. The Presumption of Innocence. C. The Right to Counsel. D. The Right to Appeal. Answer: A. The Rule of Law. 13. What is the name of the process where an accused person is released from custody before trial? A. Sentencing. B. Bail hearing. C. Preliminary inquiry. D. Plea bargaining. Answer: B. Bail hearing. 14. What is the name of the law that protects the privacy of personal information in Canada? A. The Criminal Code. B. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. C. The Privacy Act. D. The Human Rights Act. Answer: C. The Privacy Act. 15. What is the name of the principle that ensures that an accused person is innocent until proven guilty? A. The Rule of Law. B. The Presumption of Innocence. C. The Right to Counsel. D. The Right to Appeal. Answer: B. The Presumption of Innocence. 16. What is the name of the process where an individual who has been convicted of a crime applies to have their case reviewed by a higher court? A. Sentencing. B. Bail hearing. C. Preliminary inquiry. D. Appeal. Answer: D. Appeal. 17. What is the name of the law that regulates the buying, selling, and possession of firearms in Canada? A. The Criminal Code. B. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. C. the Firearms Act. D. The Canadian Bill of Rights. Answer, C. The Firearms Act. 18. What is the name of the law that protects the rights of workers in Canada? A. The Canadian Bill of Rights. B. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. C. The Employment Standards Act. D. The Human Rights Act. Answer, C. The Employment Standards Act. 19. What is the name of the law that regulates the use of recreational drugs in Canada? A. The Controlled Drugs and Substances Act. B. The Criminal Code. C. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. D. The Canadian Bill of Rights. Answer, A. The Controlled Drugs and Substances Act. 20. What is the name of the process where a judge decides on a sentence after an accused person has been found guilty? A. Sentencing. B. Bail hearing. C. Preliminary inquiry. D. Plea bargaining. Answer, A. Sentencing. 21. What is the name of the highest court in Canada? A. The Supreme Court of Canada. B. The Federal Court of Canada. C. The Provincial Court of Canada. D. The Superior Court of Canada. Answer, A. The Supreme Court of Canada. 22. What is the name of the federal agency responsible for enforcing Canadian laws related to immigration and citizenship? A. The Canadian Security Intelligence Service. B. The Canada Border Services Agency. C. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police. D. The Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. Answer, D. The Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. 23. What is the maximum penalty for a summary conviction offense in Canada? A. $5,000 fine and 6 months in jail. B. $10,000 fine and 1 year in jail. C. $50,000 fine and 2 years in jail. D. $100,000 fine and 5 years in jail. Answer, A. $5,000 fine and 6 months in jail. 24. What is the name of the law that prohibits discrimination on the basis of race, ethnicity, religion, or sexual orientation in Canada? A. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. B. The Human Rights Act. C. The Criminal Code. D. The Immigration and Refugee Protection Act. Answer, B. The Human Rights Act. 25. What is the name of the legal principle that states that evidence obtained in violation of an accused person's rights cannot be used against them in court? A. The rule of law. B. The presumption of innocence. C. The right to counsel. D. The exclusionary rule. Answer, D. The exclusionary rule. 26. What is the name of the process where a jury hears evidence and decides whether an accused person is guilty or not guilty of a crime? A. Sentencing. B. Bail hearing. C. Preliminary inquiry. D. Trial. Answer, D. Trial. 27. What is the name of the law that regulates the use of motor vehicles on Canadian roads? A. The Criminal Code. B. The Highway Traffic Act. C. The Canadian Bill of Rights. D. The Constitution Act. Answer, B. the Highway Traffic Act. 28. What is the name of the law that establishes the legal age of majority in Canada? A. The Constitution Act. B. The Canadian Bill of Rights. C. The Youth Criminal Justice Act. D. The Age of Majority Act. Answer: D. The Age of Majority Act. 29. What is the name of the process where an accused person is released from custody before their trial? A. Sentencing. B. Bail hearing. C. Preliminary inquiry. D. Appeal. Answer: B. Bail hearing. 30. What is the name of the law that prohibits hate speech in Canada? A. The Charter of Rights and Freedoms. B. The Canadian Human Rights Act. C. The Criminal Code. D. The Broadcasting Act. Answer: C. The Criminal Code. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.